Welcome back guys. In the previous video we learned what is YouTube and how to create Gmail ID. So in this video we will create a YouTube channel and we will get ideas for our channel, that how to create our channel. So first of all, go to youtube.com here and then you have to sign in with the Gmail ID that we have created. So click on sign in and it will redirect you to Google account, and as you see we have signed in here to this Gmail ID that we have created right now. So we have no channel and we will now create our channel. So now it's depend on you that you are expert in which category. So there are so many categories in YouTube. So as you see that there we can see news, we can see drama, film, movie, songs, and tech channel. So there are so many people, they are creating videos on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and everywhere. So they share their skills that and they are earning from YouTube. So here you can get ideas that which channel will be most popular and will be ranked fastly in YouTube. So now it's depend on you that which in which category you are experted. So for tech channel I will search for, so I have selected installation. So here you see the filter, we will click on filter and we will check for channel. So select channel. We will see that how many channel are created with the installation keyword. So as you see that we have installation guide 5.41k, installation 01 is 36.5, installation 3. So we will not create a channel with the exact name of installation, because we will get copyright strike, because this channel are already using this name, this keyword. So we will change our keyword here, but always try to keep 2 words of your channel. But if you fail, then you can also use 3 keywords for your channel, but don't put more keywords on your channel. Only 2 or 3 keywords will rank you your channel. So I will search for PC. I will search for PC installation. Again go to filter and select channel, and here we will see that how many channel are created with PC installation. So we will go down. So we have no PC installation channel here. So I am telling you random keyword, and you can search it on Google that how much. So PC installation, so I have searched it here, and from 2004 to 2018 it's go down. So you can search for best keyword and ranking keyword, and then you can create your channel with that name. But before creating your channel, must see your keyword that how many people are using that name on their channel. So do not use that name for your channel that are already created by other YouTuber. So this PC installation keyword is not taken by anyone. So we will take this keyword, and now we will go to click on this symbol and click on create a channel. So here we will click on your creator journey begins. So click on no thanks, create a channel, and click on get started. So here you see use your name, use a custom name. So here is my name, and here we can use a custom name. So when you click this, it will be created this name, and when we click this use a custom name, it will select, we will select here a custom name, any name we can want, we can select it here. Select this custom name, and here you can add channel name. So I will paste this PC installation channel name here, and so this is my channel name, PC installation, and click on, I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own, so click on create. So now it's creating our YouTube channel, and this is our first channel that we are creating. So we have successfully created our YouTube channel here, and it say you that you can upload picture from here to logo, and tell viewers about your channel. So here you can put your description, and here you can add links to your site, like custom my website. So here you can add your website URL, and here you can add your social links like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and here you can say setup later, you can do it later. So we will click on setup later, we will do it later one by one, and we will create best logo for our channel. So we have successfully created our first YouTube channel, and here you see that we have home, videos, playlist, channel, and discussion about. So when we click on this PC installation, here you see that you can see your channel here. So when we click on it, you will redirect it to your this channel. So we have successfully created our YouTube channel, and we have get ideas for our channel. So in the next video we will learn how to create channel keywords and description. So we will talk about it there, and we will create channel keywords and description here. So see you on the next video.